So welcome back. We're doing something a little bit different today that is not house or home or yard related, but it's all to do with the car. So today we're going to deal with what happens when you prang your car. So I'm talking some basic cosmetic panel beating stuff here. I'm not talking about serious mechanical things or serious bodywork things that will need you to get it done properly. I'm talking about if you have a plastic bumper like this and you have a slow impact collision with something, as I have recently done, what can you do about it that isn't going to cost you $1,000 and change your insurance? So my goal today is minimize the damage that I've done without costing a fortune at a panel beater. To do this, I have two tools. First one is my trusty old hairdryer. Any hairdryer will do. And the second is just a flathead screwdriver. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually heat up the plastic with my hairdryer and then pop the screwdriver up with the handle facing up on the inside of the dent. And once the plastic is warm, I'm going to push it outwards and hopefully remove most of this dent and damage. Now, I have done this once before when I was a very poor university student, so I'm hoping that it will work again on this car. One part done. Okay. If only I was the tiniest bit stronger. Whew. Okay. I got the black plastic done. I just have to work on this bit now. So this is also plastic, but it's a lot tougher to get access to. So I've got this bit all sorted out. It's almost back to normal. Hopefully when I can push this out, I can fix this up a little bit better. But I'm finding it very difficult because to get up on the inside of that, it's the length of my arm, and then there's not much room to move in there in order to get enough force up behind it. Now, if you run into any trouble getting your hand or your tool up in there to push it out, like I have, you may need to unscrew that piece a little bit. So in more modern cars, they have like protection plates underneath that make it hard to get up into there. So to get better access, I can go into the wheel arch here and unscrew these to get access by removing this little panel there. Then I can put my hand up through there and push it out more easily. Alright, I've unscrewed this. I'm just unclipping it. They just clip straight back in. Now I can get much better access in there. Wonderful. So we'll heat it up again. Right, now fit this back in. Pretty happy so far. I need to fit this panel back on now, so I'm just going to get it clicked back into place and put the screws back in. Took a little bit more force than I thought it would. I ended up using this bit of the hammer on the inside to push it out. The screwdriver just wasn't enough. It was a much bigger bump than I guess I was planning on dealing with. So, the hard part is done. So now I am just clicking this back in. So there's little holes all along here and there's clasps that they sit on and then click down into. So I need to just line those up in the correct places in order to do that, and then screw it back in the wheel arch where the screws, well, I took the screws out to get access. Oops. Okay. Oh, come on, baby. They call it panel beating for a reason. Looks almost as good as new.